Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're in the world. I hope you're having a good day. This is a must-have app for making Instagram stories. As you can see here, this is a story I created. Didn't actually post it, but it's just an example, quick demo. So the app is called Photo Design. I hope I'm saying that right. And you have loads of different templates you can choose from. Some are paid for, some are free. And the ones that are paid for, they have a little watermark on them. And the ones that are free, they're just easy to use and you don't have any watermark on them, and they're free, which is a bonus. Some of them you do have to have the monthly or yearly subscription for though, which is a little bit annoying. But as a app itself, a lot of the features are very useful. There's things like you can remove backgrounds of photographs and that. And as you can see here, we're going to create a video to use from a template that you can put on your Instagram story. So just choose your photos by clicking on the original photo and then picking photo from your photo library. And now we're going to preview it, and it should be processing quite quickly. There we go, and now we can view it, which will be the same as what we had at the beginning of the video. It's just a demo. You can obviously add some text and everything to it, but I think this sort of video style would be quite good for TikTok. I don't know, I'm just giving some ideas, but yeah, maybe even Instagram Reels or obviously Instagram Stories, I think would work amazing. And now we're going to show another video here, and you don't have to do just videos, you can do photos. Let's actually do a photo. So the ones with the a little video icon means that you got to watch a video to use it. So I'll just skip that part out of the video because you don't want to watch an advert, do you, while watching this video? So now we're going to add on the photo. So you can just choose your photo from your photo library, and you can select however many photos you want. I think up to 3, I think it was, or 4. Not too sure on that. But once you've selected them, you can choose it and save it and upload it to your story. Here's a different one that I'm doing now. You can choose whichever photos you want. It sort of just a collage, this one. But I think the videos, it's useful for the videos, this app, because obviously you can just have a pic collage app on your phone. Yes, I know there is an app called Pic Collage that you can download. I wasn't referring to that, I was just referring to collage apps in general. Anyways, you can have this app to use to do collages anyway, but I think it's quite useful for the videos. But that sort of special effect that I've just done on the photo, that's quite nice. And you can obviously add text and that to your photos and videos and save that out and then upload it to your story. So let's just write something here now. It's just quite a simple picture for the Instagram story. Didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. So we're going to expand that out, make it a bit bold, and then scale it a little bit. There we go. And now tilted, and we can save that to the camera roll. And this isn't going to go on my story, but it was just a demo. I hope you've enjoyed the video, found it useful. Link will be in the description for the app. Thank you for watching.